let's get to the coronavirus pandemic. Health experts on edge as we continue to see record high hospitalizations and new infections. Friday, the state reporting more than 22,000 new cases. Local 10's Trent Kelly, he's joining us live from a testing site in Hollywood with what you need to know this morning. Good morning, Trent.
Hey there, good morning, Andrew. Another day, another busy morning here at several South Florida testing sites. You can see that really long line that we were showing you about an hour ago here has now gone down just a bit. This is outside the Boulevard Heights Community Center here in Hollywood. Still, though, you can see some more people filing in towards the back of that line as we speak. This site, we should mention, only offering COVID tests right now. Still, though, this surge coming as many local leaders try to get creative and think of new ways to boost our local vaccination rates here in South Florida.
This is a community fight in a way that we've never seen before.
The variant-fueled explosion in new cases and hospitalizations again leading to long lines at COVID testing sites. In Miami-Dade, some positive signs as public officials see gains in the county's vaccination rate of 12 to 19-year-olds.
Well, I see everybody around getting, infected and stuff, so might as well put the vaccine in.
With the state making it tougher for local leaders to impose their own mandates, some are getting creative. City of Miami employees now have to wear masks while at work unless they show proof of vaccination. In Miami Beach, Live Nightclub is offering their own shots, albeit a different kind than what they're used to.
12:30 a.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. We're offering free vaccinations for everyone that comes to the club. We want to stay open, and we know the only way for that to happen is that people get vaccinated.
Meantime, in Broward, the need for hospital beds is also spiking again. Health officials saying this surge is different.
A little disheartening, more so than the last one or the last two or three, because now we have a vaccine that's out there and that could prevent 97% of the COVID positive people from coming into the hospital.
Dr. Joshua Lenchis of Broward Health says nearly all of their 300 COVID patients that are hospitalized have not been vaccinated. Their main hospital auditorium now converted to an overflow unit to help make room for everyone else.
At this point, there's still the people that are anti-vaccine. Frankly, there's nothing that we could do about those people. No science is going to convince them. There are some people that aren't getting the vaccine because they're waiting for more data. I don't know what more data you're waiting for. 4.5 billion people in the world have been vaccinated.
Yeah, some pretty pointed words right there from the chief medical officer over at Broward Health. Meantime, again, another live look here at the Hollywood testing site over at the Boulevard Heights Community Center. A bit earlier when this site first opened, right at 8 o'clock this morning, we did see a line extending all the way out here into the middle of the parking lot. You can see most of that has now gone down, so still be prepared to wait if you are coming out to one of these sites here later in the day. We've got more information, not just on this site, but all the other vaccination and testing sites that have been set up here throughout South Florida. There's so many of them, a lot of information to keep up with, we know. That's why we put it all in one easy-to-locate spot on our website, local10.com. For now, that is the very latest live here from Hollywood. Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.